Hey there, Turbo CarCraze family. Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the hottest scoops on the fastest rides. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of the 2025 Alfa Romeo Giulia EV, Alfa's bold leap into the electric future. Let's start with the design. The Giulia EV takes Alfa's iconic curves and aggressive styling and reimagines them for the electric age. Look at that front fascia, sharp, modern, and unmistakably Alfa. The signature tri-lobo grille has been reinterpreted, blending form with aerodynamics. And those sleek LED lights, pure sophistication. But this beauty isn't just about looks. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, sits Alfa Romeo's new all-electric powertrain. The 2025 Giulia EV is built on the cutting-edge Sedans STL, a large platform, offering a range of up to 435 miles on a single charge. With a dual motor setup, this beast delivers up to 800 horsepower, launching you from 0 to 60 in a mind-blowing 2.8 seconds. Yeah, you heard that right, 2.8 seconds. Step inside, and you're greeted with pure Italian craftsmanship. The cabin is a perfect mix of luxury and tech, premium materials, a minimalist dashboard, and a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen seamlessly integrate with Alfa's advanced infotainment system. Plus, there's a digital driver display and customizable ambient lighting that adds a futuristic vibe. Charging, no problem, thanks to 800V fast charging tech. You can juice up the battery from 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes. And for everyday charging, Alfa offers home wall box options that make overnight charging a breeze. The Giulia EV isn't just fast, it's smart, too. With advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane centering tech, and Alfa's signature drive mode selector, you get precision handling and a driving experience that's both thrilling and intuitive. So, is the 2025 Alfa Romeo Giulia EV worth the hype? With its jaw-dropping design, cutting-edge tech, and heart-pounding performance, it's clear Alfa is redefining what it means to drive electric. But what do you think? Is this the EV of your dreams, or are you holding out for something else? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the world's hottest cars. This is Your Name from Turbo CarCraze, signing off. See you next time, car lovers.